Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another review of aweber. I've had aweber for about a month and a half now, and so far it's going good. As you know, on my channel I had SendLane autoresponder, and I recently changed to aweber. I believe aweber has more features that I was looking for, and more products are easier to integrate with aweber versus SendLane. SendLane is a good autoresponder, don't get me wrong, but I have a blog, and the blog forecasting is a tool that I was definitely into, and right now I have 389 subscribers. Now I had, in my previous videos, I had about 580 subscribers from SendLane, and the problem was, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're switching autoresponders with aweber, you go to aweber and you have a previous list with somebody else, another autoresponder, it's easy to integrate your list, but you need the domain name or website or landing page link that you use to get the leads onto your list, or a blog post or YouTube video. They want the link that used that landing page, and I used SendLane's landing pages to build my list. What happened was I deleted some of those landing pages. Back then I didn't think about going to aweber until recently, and I really couldn't find that one that I deleted. So I'm going to transfer what I had on file and SendLane. So and I got 389 right now. So, but that's okay. I didn't have. I lost 200 people, but some of those were inactive anyway, so I didn't lose too much. But it's not a big deal. I mean, it's not like I had 1,000, now I lost 700. Then we had a problem. But 200, I could deal with that. I could live with that aspect of it. But so far, I'm gonna give my review of aweber. It's going really good right now. I'm loving it. I don't see me going anywhere else no time soon. And as y'all know, I use lead pages to build my landing page, and lead pages and aweber are like peanut butter and jelly. In my opinion, they go together so well that you have a lead page from lead pages, and the lead put their name and email, and then they automatically add it to my aweber account. And so I like it so far. It's just a real quick review, a video of aweber. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like my video. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. If you do like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you have comments or questions about aweber you hesitant to get into, or you're not nervous getting into, or what do you need to transfer from one list to another, if I had to go through it, hit me in the comments below and I'll answer your question. Visit my blog, rotogrip.org, and also in the description box I have a free ebook to give away for free. You hit the link in the description below, and you can download my ebook. It shows you the big three that making money online: email, YouTube, and the blog. And it's free download. It's like 10 chapters. It's a very small ebook. It'll take you maybe, you can read it probably in 30 minutes. It's a really quick ebook. Check that out. And thanks for watching. See you next time.